ALLDATA's got a lot of fantastic information in their collision repair program, but sometimes you may not be able to find what you're looking for. Perhaps ALLDATA hasn't added that particular procedure to their library yet. That's why they've created a library request. It's really easy to use. Once you've already done your search on the vehicle, put the make, model, year in, you simply click on the library request link. It'll automatically populate that make, model, year, as well as the engine that you selected earlier. You simply select the transmission and then submit your inquiry to ALLDATA, and they'll go back to you with an answer on it. If they've got the procedure, they'll share it with you, and then they'll add it to their library. If a procedure doesn't exist, they'll also let you know that. We had an example recently on a 2018 Subaru where we couldn't find the procedure we were looking for. We simply submitted the request, and within 12 minutes we had a response. So whenever you're looking for information you can't find, use that library request.